today is, I got all the crew. Ayan, nasa sasakyan na kami. So, happy Monday. So, today is, wedding ng aking stepdaughter. So, today is her wedding day. So, nito kami sa gas station. Yes, hindi na nakapag-vlog this morning. Sobrang hectic ang nangyari this morning. Na-late, hindi naman na-late ko na hatid si Chad tsaka si Caleb. Nagising ako 6:50 this morning. O, diba? 6:50 ng umaga. Instead na 5:50. But, yun nga. So, hinatid ko lang sila sa school. And, buti naman na nakarating sila on time. So, ayan. So, ito ang ating outfit. Ayan, yung nabili natin sa JCPenney. So, yung mga kids, mamaya na sila magbibihis kasi baka mamaya magsuka sila or anything kasi medyo malayo-layo yung drive natin. So, right now is 12:45 na. So, kakukuha lang namin kay Chad tsaka si Caleb sa school nila. So, ayan, tingnan nyo na yung lips ko. Oh, hindi nakipag-cooperate ang lips ko. Diba? So, kumukuha lang ng gas ang aking asawa. And mamaya may kita nyo ang kanyang outfit. Po, hindi pa naman nasuot lahat. But yung pants lang tsaka yung damit lang. O, kasi nagsuot na ako kasi meron akong 4 kids na bibihisan mamaya. So, magiging busy na tayo. Kaya nagbihis na ako. Kasi ang plan ko talaga, hindi pa ako magbibihis. But ayan, alam ko parang sobrang rush yung aking pag-vlog right now, ha. Na-rush ba kaya? But ayan. So, ito yung aking nose. Ayan, tinan nyo naman, nagmamalit yung nose ko. So, kamusta naman ang aking makeup, guys? Okay ba siya? So, medyo malamig. Right now is 48 degree. Sobrang malamig. Kaya nagdala kami ng jacket. Meron kami mga blankets. So, yeah. So, yes. Oh, diba? Ang ganda na ating intro, diba? Hi, say hi, guys. Say hi. Dala nila yung kanilang mga iPad. Kasi medyo malayo-layo yung ating ano yan. What?
4 kids is tough, right?
Yes, 4 kids is really, really tough.
And only 2 parents.
And only 2 parents, that's right.
That's tough.
So, ito yung ating purse. Pakita ko sa inyo yung purse ko. Ayan, maliit na purse. So,
You had 4 parents.
ano ba yan? So, andito yung mga ano ko. Hindi pa nakapaglagay ng aking lipstick. Pero, mamaya na tayo maglalagay para hindi tayo maano. So, ayan. Ayan, in-straight ko yung aking hair. Pero, umuulan. So, yung hair natin, it's gonna be like everywhere later on. So, good luck sa aking hair. So, yung wedding is starts at 5 o'clock pa. But, dahil hindi tayo natuloy dun sa pinunta, dapat na mag-meet, alam niyo na yun, yung rehearsal / meeting the parent, parents na lalaki. So, hindi natuloy yun. So, kailangan by 4 o'clock nandoon na kami. Kasi nga, para makilala namin yung parent ng lalaki. Yung family niya pala, hindi lang parent. So, yun. So, yeah, waiting na lang tayo kay Daddy. But, tingnan nyo naman yung lips ko talaga naman. Oo, nag-pop off talaga siya dyan ng bonggang-bongga.
Can you see my face? Look at mine. I'm like...
But, yun. So, anyways, yan.
I haven't even lost any teeth.
So, we have, I think, an hour and a half or 2 hours yung drive natin. I think,
Look at me.
Look
Look at me.
But,
I hadn't lost any teeth from the previous.
let's go! They have their snacks. Of course you do. There's Daddy. So let's go. Caleb, you sleeping?
In a half mile, the destination is on the right.
We're here. We're like beside the water, huh? Look at the water. Why are you driving so slow?
I'm letting you video.
Oh. Yeah, I know. Look at that.
And I'm looking for a camper.
Camper.
Yeah, because I know our grandparents have a camper set up.
Yeah.
Look at the water.
There's
Yeah.
a camper over there, I think.
Yeah. I think it's over there. We got to go all the way here.
Kilo,
Yes, we have. Watch where you're going.
Now come out wherever you are.
Come out wherever you are.
Hey. Too bad it wasn't Friday.
Oh
Camper's
yeah.
still late.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I will tell you.
Friday the
I will
13th.
tell you, you should have done it Friday. Because I'll wear Jason mask.
Look at that. We're in the like around the water.
Good.
So here, this is the wedding's gonna be.
Look at below.
Look up below.
And another water.
Yeah. Oh wow. So there's a nice. I think
You have
I
arrived
think
at
we
your
need to get a
destination.
pictures right
Your
there.
route guidance is finished.
You know.
I'm looking.
So guys, nandito na kami pero hindi namin nahanap kung saan yung gaganapin for yung wedding mismo. Nahanap namin yung reception. Nandun siya sa kabila and I think yung wedding is doon. Nalagpasan daw namin kasi nagtanong yung asawa ko sa information. So yeah. Ayan, umuulan po siya ngayon. So it's 2:15 na. Ayan, umuulan. Nakakainis, promise. Dapat sana hindi umulan. Kasi yung start ng wedding is 5. So, yeah. So, maganda mag-picture dito guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. Ayan o, kung nakikita nyo siya, ang ganda niya dyan magpa-picture katabi ng tubig. Ayan o, kung nakikita nyo yung kulay ng mga mga dahon. Oh my gosh. Pag nakabihis na tayo, magpipicture tayo dyan. Ay, nakabihis na yung mga bata, magpipicture tayo dyan. So, magagawa tayo as a family pictures kasi never pa kaming nagkaroon talaga kaming lahat ng family pictures. So, yeah. So, nag-CR lang si kuya at saka si daddy. So, hopefully talaga tumigil yung ulan. Kasi nakakasad na. What?
Daddy's gonna be here.
What are you eating?
Cheeto! I'm literally
Yay.
cold.
You're really cold? Well, you didn't bring your jacket. That's why. Okay. Ayan. So, tag na to. Ano ba sasabihin ko? Nakalimutan ko. So, sana hindi talaga umulan para mas maganda yung wedding and makapag-pictures tayo. Ito na guys, ang wedding. Sit right here. Here's everybody. Here's everybody.
It's wet on the inside. What?
Kevin, if you repeat after me. Ashley,
Ashley,
I promise to love you
I promise to love you
and to commit my whole life to you.
and to commit my whole life to you.
So, ito na yung reception.
Hey, Troy, can you smile? Aren't you the ones that...
So, ito yung Mr. and Mrs. na chair. Ayan. Then, ito yung alay nila para sa mga wala dito. Ayan. So, itong ating dinner. Steak.
Now you probably won't be able to cut it. Might have to like.
Here's everybody. I'm not gonna video the whole everybody. Yes. Everybody ready to go home? Yes! So the wedding is done. Everything is beautiful and perfect.
It was very perfect.
Very perfect. So let's go home. It is 7:13 and sobrang dark. So let's go home. So this is where we did the wedding. So look, it looks so cute and perfect. Go ahead, sir.
Beautiful.
Yeah, it's really beautiful. Yeah, bahay na kami. Sissy, you wanna show them your dress? Let me see your dress. Look at dress.
Just like mommy.
Yeah, just like mommy. So, ayan ang aming dress. You like your dress? Huh?
We have the food.
Yeah, you got a spoon. You like our dress?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Mom, move out.